But I live up halfway between there and Cumroy now, because nobody likes me in Dublin. Gosh, it was poured out of my house. Or was that the barbecue I had? I thought I ate a horse, but you know. Anyway, I recorded a tune on the album, and it's called The Mountains of Cumroy. Beautiful. Now, there was an old friend of mine, God rest him, and this is in Connemara, and before he died, he wanted to come up and see the mountains of Cumroy, that he loved the song, and it was class, and he loved it. I'm not going to sing it anymore, but his nephew, I swear to God, he brought him the whole way from Connemara, up in and seen the wee sign Cumroy up the main street, and I lived round and round Cumroy, and he says, take me home. There's values in that fact that obviously I had to get on Cumroy to go and see the mountains. Now when you're from Connemara, it's very hard to be impressed with mountains because there's things like Everest that they're back there. There's no freaking mountains in Cumroy, it's like a billiard table! But there was a song written about in the tune, and I'm going to play it now for Martini Sinead down the back here, the three of them. They're made regulars. No, they're Irish. So what I call it, I'm going to just play the tune because it's a lovely old melody.
Covent Garden.